Whaatwaa family, welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy, Mr. Whaatwaa. Today, ayo, skirt, man, check this out. All right, we got a video today. It's a recitation of the Surah al-Baqarah. All right, let's get into it. Now, remember, this is your first time on the channel. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe and join the Whaatwaa family. Also, before we get started, put a like on this video. Remember, if you got a video you want me to react to, get down in the comment section, post the link, and I will get to it, man. Let's go ahead and get into this recitation. Whaatwaa!
الله أكبر. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون أياما معدودات فمن كان منكم مريضا أو على سفر فعدة من أيام أخر وعلى الذين يطيقونه فدية طعام مسكين فمن تطوع خيرا فهو خير له وأن تصوموا خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون. شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان فمن شهد منكم الشهر فليصم ومن كان مريضا أو على سفر فعدة من أيام أخر يريد الله بكم اليسر ولا يريد بكم العسر ولتكملوا العدة ولتكبروا الله على ما هداكم لعلكم تشكرون.
Whaatwaa family, get down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this recitation. Also, if you got a video you want me to react to, get down in the comment section, post the link, and I will get to it. Whaatwaa family, when it comes to Islam, there's no color, there's no race, there's no ethnicity, there's no nothing. The only thing that we know is we're all one. This brother right here was able to recite the Surah al-Baqarah so swiftly and so sweetly to the ear. And I'm not sure where this mosque is at, but God bless them. You know, it's not every day that you see someone, you know, reciting the Quran like that, and you know, for them to be one of, you know, to be one of us. No matter, you know what I'm saying, like to be one of us. It's like it's a beautiful thing. It's something that you cannot. It's something that you can never even have dreamed of, you know, in the past. You know, I'm talking about like, you know, back in the like 1800s. You know, you never would have thought days like this would come where all different shapes, sizes, color, ethnicities, different backgrounds, even different religions coming together as one. just to be able to serve one God, you know? That's the thing that I want from the world, for everybody to come together and just be one. And seeing videos like this is a prime example of where the world is heading to, and you know, for us to be able to have hope, that there is hope for humanity, you know. Whaatwaa family, get down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the video. Also, if you got a video you want me to react to, get down in the comment section, post the link, and I will get to it. Guys, remember, anytime that we listen to a recitation, there's no way I can give it a rating, but if I have to give it a rating, of course it's going to be a 10 out of 10. But other than that, it's your boy, Mr. Whaatwaa. If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and join the Whaatwaa family. Before you leave the channel, put a like on this video. And guys, I will see you tomorrow. Why? Because I post videos every day. So please take care. Stay safe. Whaatwaa!